Hi, I want to show you my hairstyle today. Today I'm going to do a protective style. So what I did was I had some of my Refresh cream on my hair still from yesterday. So when I woke up this morning, I actually put it in a ponytail last night before I went to bed. And so what I did was I took some water. I slicked back the sides with the water. And this is how slick I was able to get it back. Back here and back here. And so up here, and then I just twisted it up with I put some bobby pins up here. So it's just like a protective style, so I don't have to really do anything to it. But I just wanted you to see how straight I was able to get it with my Refresh cream. And you can wear this as a style. See you later.